Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find Chase Bank Swift code. First thing I want you to do is open up any web browser, go to Google or any other search engine and just type in Chase Bank Swift code, hit enter. Now the first part is the main Swift or BIC code right here. Now these three X's are actually the branch code. So you can click here on this WISE link and then I want you to scroll down. So we already have the first part, we just need the rest for the branch as well. So you can go ahead and scroll down here and you'll see this section for the different Chase branches. You can of course search by city or postcode. You can type it in here. So let's say you want the one in Park Avenue in New York. This is the one. It ends with BDD. As you can see, this is the exact address right here. So this is the code. You can copy it and use it in your transactions. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.